this one is so full. Look at this. Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, this is my favorite box. My absolute favorite box. For those of you who are new to this channel and don't know what I'm talking about, well, my favorite box is the CURLBOX, okay? And that is what we will be unboxing on today. Now, let me just fill you in a little bit. Normally, my CURLBOX comes inside of another box, okay? So I went to open it so that I could pull out, you know, the neon yellow box so we could go ahead and do our unboxing. However, when I opened it, it was no yellow box inside because this one is so full. Look at this. Everything is in this box right here. So we're gonna have to go from top to bottom with each item that is inside, okay? So let's just go ahead and get started. Now, this is our April 2023 CURLBOX, and our theme for this month is the bounce box, okay? Now, our card says curl rhythm, science of curls times tangle teaser, a stroke of genius. And it says, when we got the call that there would be a new product on the market that was affordable, accessible, with a promise to deliver results to textured hair, we had to give it a try. Curl Rhythm is a new brand designed to give you the hair, the options you deserve, with the perfect blend of moisture, protection, and definition, available at Dollar General. Oh, I'm here for this. Help your hair find its beat, okay? So that's what our card says. This is giving us a lot of information, so I can't wait to try this out so I can see just how well it delivers. But let's just go ahead and get started. So the first product that I have, now, y'all all know that I love me some CURLBOX because, number one, you get all full-size products, and this month is no exception. So our first product is the Deep Moisturizing Curl Shampoo. This is by the brand Curl Rhythm, okay? And it says, say goodbye to sulfates and silicones and hello to gentle cleansing that removes dirt, oil, and buildup without ever stripping your curls, okay? Now, first of all, this packaging is beautiful. This is a 10 fluid ounce size, and it says Deep Moisturizing Curl Shampoo with Babo, Shea, coconut, and aloe. And now on the bottom, I love it because it gives us a moisture level. See right here on the bottom? Okay, and the moisture level on this one is 2 out of 4. So that's not bad at all. On the back, it says, curls, coils, and waves come in many unique shapes and sizes, but they all need moisture, strength, and definition to look beautifully healthy. Okay, now this is sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, dye-free, and no animal testing. Come through for me, Curl Rhythm. Okay, I am excited about this one. All right. So it says that this one is our first step. Oh, this is step number 1, and this is the Deep Moisturizing Curl Shampoo. Okay, so the next item that we have is the hydrating cleansing conditioner. Okay, and this is what that one looks like. All right, and it says transform dry brittle hair with this low lather cream cleanser that provides maximum hydration to revive your curls. This too is a 10 fluid ounce size, same ingredients. Okay, but it says this one is gentle, which I like, and it helps detangle, remove dirt and product buildup while retaining hair's natural oils. Use daily or between shampoo days. Okay, this one has a 3 out of 4 moisture level. See that? Okay, look, I'm ready for this. Definitely ready for this. Okay, and this one, if hair has extra buildup, repeat as needed. Can be used daily between shampoo days with Curl Rhythm Deep Moisturizing Curl Shampoo. So this one, of course, is step number 2, together or in between, okay, which I like. All right, then the next one that we have is the Deep Moisturizing Curl Conditioner, and that's this one right here. And this one says replenish your curls with much needed moisture to strengthen and protect them from root to tip. Okay, and this one says moisturize, detangle, and soften. Oh, love this. Softens and defrizzes for easy combing and manageability. This one is a 10 fluid ounce size as well, and also has a 3 out of 4 level for moisture. Okay, moving right along. So then the next one that we have is the leave-in conditioner, and that's this one right here. And this says get added protection, shine, and definition with this leave-in. This one is a 10 fluid ounce size, same ingredients plus argan oil. How about that? Argan oil, here for that. Deeply moisturizes to restore moisture to dry damaged curls, detangle, defrizz, and add shine to help restore definition and curl pattern. Provides moisture and protection for sensitive scalps. Love that. No silicones, no sulfates, y'all. Moisture level on this one, all of it. Level 4. Okay, how about that? Look, I'm feeling this already. I might have to jump past some of the other products that I wanted to use and try this one, okay? So, still more. The next one that we have is the Curl Gel, and this one is the Jojoba Curl Gel, and it says the ultimate styling solution for wash and go hair with hold, moisture, shine, and protection. Your curls will look and feel amazing. This one is a 6 fluid ounce size. And this one is designed to define, smooth, and shine. Defining Style Gel provides flexible hold, definition, and adds incredible shine, smooths curls, and protects from humidity, flake-free, crunch-free, and alcohol-free. Look here, y'all. I am here for this. And the next item that we have, which is actually the last hair product, okay? And this one is the Defining Curl Cream, all right? And it's this one right here, and it says, infused with powerhouse ingredients like baobab, and shea butter. This cream delivers moisture, hold, definition, bounce, and shine. This too is a 6-ounce size with a 2 moisture level. And it says it's a conditioning styler that shapes and defines. Okay, moisturizing styling cream provides conditioning, hold, definition. Okay. All right, now, of all the things that I said to you, there is one thing that is missing for me with these particular products, okay? And it's only that I haven't read yet, okay? I'm sure somewhere there is this information. And my thing is, I would love to know what the shelf life is, because I was really ready to pop them open so I could see exactly what they smelled like. However, on the products, they are just showing what seems to be the production date, okay, because they're showing dates from January to March of this year. So that's what I'm figuring right now, okay? If I find out something different, you know I got you and I'll let you know, okay? The last item that we have inside is not a hair product, but a hair tool, okay? And this one is the Tangle Teaser Wide Tooth Comb. It says this dual-sided comb reduces breakage and makes removing knots and hair shed a breeze. Okay, now it says it's easy to use. It's perfect for 3C and 4C hair. And there is a disclaimer on the box that says do not use with heat. Okay. Oh, nice. This is different. This is what the comb itself looks like. So we have the double tooth side right here. Okay. And we have definitely the wide tooth side. Okay. Today is wash day, so this is going to be a very handy tool today. Okay. So this one right here. And I will make sure I take pictures of what my hair looks like after the fact so that I can show it to you. And like I said, I do think I'm going to skip over and just go right to these products and see how they work. In addition to our CURLBOX description card, okay, which gave us all this wonderful information about the products, there is also a message from Curl Rhythm, and it says, show us your curls contest. Enter for a chance to win a $100 gift card to Dollar General, okay? All the details would be inside. So I guess you're going to have to get you a CURLBOX so you can find out what those details are, okay? Now, this particular box is a joy for me. I love CURLBOX because for what you spend, this box is $30 a month, and that does include your shipping and handling. Comes straight to your door, so there are no gas charges. There are no bumping into people or trying to make sure that they have everything in stock. It comes straight from CURLBOX, and look at how quickly we received it. Very, very good. So what are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm ready to try it, okay? I am truly, truly ready to try it. So I'm grateful and I love CURLBOX for reasons such as this. Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you like to try CURLBOX? I think you should. Anyone with natural hair and or just wants a change, just wants to know what the new products are that are coming up, or the ease of having it sent straight to you, okay? Look at the website. I will leave a link down below. Check it out. Let me know your thoughts. If you decide to join CURLBOX, let me know that as well, okay? Now, before we sign off, I do want to remind you all of our current giveaway that's going on. Please go ahead, check it out, and hopefully you will decide to participate, okay? It is an ode to our moms and an ode to being a mom, okay? Now, I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed my favorite box, which is CURLBOX, and these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was inside, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.